Silence is no longer golden. Drug lords are dream killers. They undermine authority. Drug lords undermine law and order. They are morally bankrupt. Drug lords are devil's ambassadors on earth. They destroy family lives. They are joy killers. Silence is no longer golden. The world is in danger. Drug lords poison the minds of innocent youth. Drug lords are prowling vultures. They are vicious and violent. Drug trafficking has occupied the center stage. Drugs have become weapons of mass destruction. The damage is extensive. Nations are in danger. The continent is in danger. The world is in danger. Drug lords have become employers and labor brokers. Humankind must put an end to drugs, or drugs will put an end to humankind. The destruction of family life is criminal. Drug lords are not graduates but gangsters. They are rascals and renegades, rebels without a cause. Drug lords are addicted to violence. Their code name is shoot to kill. Drugs and illegal firearms go hand in glove. The deceitfulness of materialism. Blood money cannot buy peace of mind. Blood money cannot erase guilt. Blood money cannot remove crimes committed. Drug lords perpetuate addiction, gangsterism, pornography, prostitution, and substance abuse. Silence is no longer golden. Now is the time to crush traders of cocaine and ecstasy. Now is the time to close the manufacturers of Mendrex and marijuana. Now is the time to end Nyaupe and Unga. Drug lords are not invincible. Drug lords are not gladiators. Drug lords are not untouchable. Drug lords are defeatable and human. Now is the time to destroy the disciples of Al Capone, El Chapo Guzman, John Dillinger, Robin Hood. Hashtag drug lords must fall. Hashtag drugs must fall. Drug lords